top stories. Congress MLAs quit PCC post, clarify defection claim. AICC Secretary Charles Pingrove arrives in Imphal to review political scenario. And scoring higher marks in exams not ultimate fit of life, says IAS Armstrong Palme. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. The Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC has made it clear today that there is no dissent cropping up within the party and that a single legislature has not switched side to the ruling BJP. All 20 MLAs are still under one roof and there is no question of defecting any of them to the Saffron party. Chief Whip of CLP MLA Govindas Konthagzam told a press meet at the Congress Bhavan, where MLAs KH Lokeshwar, Chatulin Amo, K Meghachandra, K Ranjit, KH Joykisan, and Loken and Fazur Rahim were also present. Govindas refuted the claim in social media and newspapers as baseless and unfounded. He described the act of an attempt to split the 20 MLAs. Referring to the recent Lok Sabha election, Govindas said Congress accepts the people's mandate and informed that following the election debacle, all MLAs have decided to quit the post of MPCC organization in order to work and strengthen the party at the grassroots level.
Sungsinaba Sarkar da yauriba tongan ba dol sing asi ningthijana wakhan manana leminadabra haibadudi media da koina adum khangbang ambang haktani makhoi sing adu intake oina thamnanaba punsinna thamnanaba honabada Congress party gi nipan ama khoi dagi chen khro matungda leijahuriba kun khak leijahuriba tarang kun khak leijahuriba hajatai tarang kun khak leijahuriba si da amaga mot khenana uhannanaba adugumba lanna media gi through the lakwa do madu yamna laibak thibani madu akhoi maikei dagi defect tawnanaba aduga Bharatiya Janata Party da yawnaba amata leite yawbusu yawroi haidana aina mayamda sengdok chaningi nungaitaba masigi daita haijabatai responsibility singsi ai isamaksu yawjare hai lawjare hairaga ai ngasi dagi hauna khoigi Congress Legislative Party gi chief whip oibadu dagi ai isa resignation ngasi pijare resignation pijariba sigi maramdi amukke hena grassroots level da ayhak isa kumjare hairaga isa yawjare hairaga party asi amukke hena mapan kanba party ma oinanabagi honanabagi damakta resignation si ayhak isa mak pijabani.
MPCC Treasurer MLA K Ranjit clarified that the party MLAs still have a collective firm stance. He said Congress cannot go with the BJP, which has promised to bring back Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016.
Kiev support to Changbaga Chamaragaduna Aduna Kiev say according to opposed or Galak Padugumba Partini, Adugumba Mebargaktani, Aduna, a koi Huzik Lajeriba Kunse, Masi Sigumba issue Mayama Manga, Jun the Putokani Hari, July Pabugi Manung the Kiev Lushangani Hari. Sigumba Mayrakta Mayamsi, Nordiski Prajamayam, particularly Manipuri Prajamayamsi, Mainunda, Lauraga, Lushanbagi, Bhatala Akanda, Karamba interest of Hoina BJP, the Yadurise. I don't know, Masit has a bigano, Karigumba Makanda Matagi, a Koigi Saitagi, a Koi party sit Hadoga, something I wapam like that, Loinana, a Koida Prazana 11, Assembly the Pira mandate CD, Congress mandate the Pira Ponina Prazagi confidence. But I'm coding Makta Koi Kai Kumaraga Tamgani Haidana. So my nice I take Tamzage. I go in a sea design to say. I take in it as I colleague Govindas to Tambigra. I call a Handaki elections among the Koi Congresski, Bot Hill, Valley and the outer Hajabatar, Monsieur Koina, Animak sits my Pambana. Adubu. I call in a Honaba Wapa Hibatare, dagi laiba election gi outcome si result si yengra kanda akoi party si khara kari haigani thajaba mangak padona to basugum bagi masida khalla kanda aikoina MPCC da concentrate tawduna masida MPCC gi level state level da leiragadi akoi party si sagat pada khara waradra haibadagi akoi isa isa na morally party gi damakta party sagana na bagi damakta isa isa gi field da lok kendra da or na tra manipur gi tongan tongan ba grassroots level da kumthara kanda koi maximum party gi dam to organization toroga party strengthen tongna bagi damakta ngasi akoi hairiba mioi sing se masi resign tawani masi resign tawre haidana party thado pagi natte mayam da masi su confuse chatna ba media ko thang dai singdok chari.
PCC Vice President and spokesperson KH Joy Kisan admitted that the party is responsible for the Lok Sabha election drubbing in Manipur. He said the party MLAs have quit all PCC posts primarily for the sake of the state. But he said that there is no question of quitting the party and join any other party.
Congress ki matam dana iho horaga hoji Congress na pandra ka dana iho si tokri basi maram se kari no haibe su akoi Congress na naina da bayati maram di masi makoi gi machin je kamaine mengi Congress ki matam de issue ohen gi ba Congress later ka dana issue ohen da ba madu pal be go me sin nampu de iho hori kangpu to gi machin men ge bra natraga makoi gi maril la do kari gumba amasin ga muthir ge bra haibe se yamna nung nang ba hom amani akoi na aduna hojik se akoi gi leiri film sida tungi lakadoriba akoi generation mayam yengaga akoi phurup ase kandaba yate ba wakhan ga loina Congress na angam thakta akoina thengnagani.
All India Congress Committee AICC Secretary and Manipur in charge Charles Pingrub arrived at Imphal in a 2-day visit to Manipur, where he will review the political scenario post the Lok Sabha election 2019, in which the Congress lost both the outer and inner seats. During his visit, Charles will hold a meeting with MPCC President, CLP leaders, MLAs and leaders. The current strength of the Congress MLAs and the resignation of PCC post by the MLAs are also likely to come up for the discussion in the meeting. Getting in toppers list in class 10 or 12 exams and scoring good marks with distinction alone is not the ultimate fate of life, since real success lies ahead in achieving bigger dreams which contribute towards the betterment of a society. Here is an exclusive report on this.
Felicitating a student for topping an examination does not necessarily mean it is a real success in his or her life. Even though one cannot get in the toppers list, hard work with relentless efforts accompanied by strong determination and sincerity are the key to attain greater heights in life. This has been proven by the success story of an IS officer named Armstrong Palme, who was never a topper in class 10 and class 12 examinations and also in graduation. Commenting on the present culture of private tuition, he expressed that simply going for textbook tuition won't help much to a student. He stressed that it is the bounden duty of every teacher to make students comprehend their daily lessons in the classrooms.
My friends, brothers and sisters, I just want to give you this through this channel that in life you may not always be the one topping the race, you may not always be the one leading from the front in your past life or present day, but the determination that you will be on the top should never stop. So that is my message to you, and wherever you are, whichever result you have got, please continue to give your best. And for those of you who had topped the exam, you've seen your names in the list, competition never stops. Don't feel complacent that, you know, today I've topped. There's no guarantee that you will top. I was one of the I got such a good mark in my class 12. I went to St. Stephen's College. I thought I was still good, but I was one of the worst students because there are people who are doing much, much better than me. So for those of you who got through the exam, seeing your name amongst the toppers list, don't feel that you are still the best yet. The competition level is altogether different when you move out of this state.
He also conveyed a message to those students who recently passed their class 10 and 12 exams in pursuing their further studies in different colleges, institutions or universities across the country and the states.
Some of the best coaching institutes are there. you may like to attend them, but not at the cost of giving up your regular textbooks. I see most of the parents dropping off their children from like 4 a.m. in the morning and going till 8 p.m. in the evening, taking their kids. I mean, the kids have no time to live their children's life. So I don't think that is the best idea to send, kids for tuition for every subject. I was reading in the newspaper in the interview of some of the toppers. They are taking even tuition for English, alternative English, social science. I don't know what's there to take. As long as you can read English, on your own and understand on your own, I don't think a subject like social science and English needs tuition. Frankly speaking, with all regards to all of this subject, not that they're easy, but it just needs your attention.
Getting good rank or topped in class 10 and 12 exams alone is not an end to success. The real success lies in achieving greater things in life and serving for the betterment of the society. And in order to achieve all those success and to serve for the people in a better way, constant effort with hard working and sincerity is the key of all that factors. With camera person Ojit Mangsatabum, Blessing Yang Mai for Tom TV News, Kumalampak, Yas Office.
Well-known fashion designer of Manipur, Robert Naurem's mother was found murdered in a suspected case of broad daylight robbery at his residence in Imphal. A gold necklace and a ring from the deceased, identified as Naurem Rekha, aged 66 years, were found missing. The incident occurred around 1:30 this afternoon at Singzame Thokchom Lekai. According to information culled from the site, Rekha even had her unfinished meal in her mouth. Robert's uncle Roshan Ingthozam found Rekha in a pool of blood. According to sources, Rekha had a hot argument with a non-Manipuri mason engaged in a house construction. When calling the person, his mobile phone was in switch-off mode. The sources said, Robert Naurem left for Bangalore for a fashion show this morning.
ngasi se Sir Robert se ma det haying se ma show lai bagi makeup ki Bangalore da chang bagi ayuk se da akoi pung 10 makhai gi flight ne ha bagi ngan na chat tho ase na khoi tho ka sir se drop tawram matung da ma lora matung da phani kai ka layu khoi da na har paisa se sinar me phani kai ka se lera ga phi khara bamon kampu da phisabi lai magi adu maha ki phisabi mayum da chatlaga phi kai ka do yengu so na har ga chatlura ga halak pagi sida iruza mai thage na dukan chatringai da iruza mai thage na phi su setri bani na dukan yum da hana changage na changa akana sida imana ba amaga lakmina bani aise adu doga ibani se changa akana sida khoi gi hek changbagi ka gi mamang sida i ga isinga tor yanara ga taraga lerame imana basina ka kai university na hangak pasida ije mathakta pa chengkha pasida mama di makha da corridor da dum taraga lerame ma phibam do adu masa do aina kauram me mama na do khumak ta badagi aise pakhat bani na khoi gi sida sar gi yamna luna tobiba mama gumba amalai magi manakta chenjalaga ai moi mayum chenjal ai sidadi ai yum kanam ta khangna dabnina mama digi hena khangna dabnina mama kaururaga lak ine duga baba hoi su phone tawre mathang dagi khoi gi staff gai su phone tawra matung da laaga smaina tar police da investigation chathana ba na baba na phone tawra kaure duga smaina tawra khiban
Governor of Manipur, Dr. Najma Heptullah, today flagged off the 7th International Convention Society for the Promotion of Indian Classical and Culture amongst the Youth Imphal chapter team from Raj Bhavan, Imphal. A DIPR press release said the team comprising of 25 participants will take part in the international convention, which will be held from June 3rd to 9th at the Jawaharlal Nehru University in Delhi, where several youths from across the country and abroad are also taking part. Well, it's time now for a short break.
Imphal Public Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, near Manipur University First Gate.
Admission opens
For class 11, board, arts and science.
Some highlights of the school: scholarship for meritorious students, strict discipline, separate hostels for boys and girls, gymnasium and fitness centers, guest professors and lecturers, smart classrooms, special concession for handicapped, OBC, ST and SCs, orphans, art and theatre, free education, free admission, separate study rooms for brilliant students, maximum first divisioners, letter mark holders, subject toppers, inspire awardees in the higher secondary examinations, direct admission for the wards of strict parents, IPS, top choice for your child career.
India's top universities singi marakta ama oiriba Assam Downtown University, Guwahati the Engineering, Management, Nursing, Pharmacy, Hotel Management, Paramedical the Ming Chanbining Basingna, Sitful Oidringai the Nasimak Lakpiduna Ming Chanbiyu. Admission Office, Assam Downtown University, Babupara, Bosemlerek, Imphal.
Welcome back after the break. As many as 672 teacher trainees who have undergone the Diploma in Elementary Education Training under National Institute of Open School NIOS today appealed to the Nodal Officer NIOS Manipur and authority concerned to declare their withheld results for third and fourth semester examinations. It has been said that results of third and fourth semester examinations have remained withheld only for 2 exam centers of Lao Radiant Higher Secondary School Senapati and Bishnulal High School Charhazar Kangpokpi. Speaking during a press meet at the conference hall of Chil College, Kanglatongbi, one of the in-service teacher trainee, Hazing Mosilfa, presently posted at Senapati, said the final results of the training were declared on May 22nd, but results for the 2 centers were withheld by the NIOS authorities on the ground that there was an error in postal delivery timing from the respective exam centers to the head office.
Organizing a meeting of 2 exam centers, namely Lao Radiant Higher Secondary School, Senapati, and Bishnulal High School, Modbung, in aspect of our result, which was declared as RW, which means result withheld. The result of third semester of delayed was declared as RW. So we do not know why it was declared as RW. We inquired to the office. And the reply was that there was error in postal timing, and that reason was accepted by postmasters, respective postmasters also. And in that case, the postmasters, they have already clarified that it was their mistake. So, since we have committed no mistakes, our appeal to the NIOS and the higher authorities is that please declare our result within stipulated time, which was set by the government.
As a part of sustained drive carried out by the Joint Students Coordination Committee JSCC against selling of drugs and tobacco products within the perimeter of 100 meters of an educational institution, the committee conducted the same drive around GP Women's College and TZ High Secondary School today. During the third day of the drive, 6 shops selling such products were forced to shut by the committee. They seized several tobacco items from the shops and later burned and destroyed along Langol Road. Spokesperson of JSCC, Manjit Sarangthem, urges shopkeepers to refrain from selling tobacco items and other substances within 100 meters of an educational institution. He appealed to the public members to extend help to the committee in carrying out such drives to make all students healthy. The drive will continue, he informed.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯖꯥꯡ ꯃꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯂꯝ ꯌꯣꯟꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯀꯛꯄ ꯆꯔꯥꯛ ꯄꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕꯤꯖꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯆꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯁꯤꯌꯔꯂꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯔꯁꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯖꯣꯏꯟꯠ ꯏꯁꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯔꯗꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ JSCCꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗ ꯖꯣꯏꯟꯠ ꯏꯁꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯔꯗꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ.
A combined team of Imphal East Commando and 6 Assam Rifles arrested a woman active worker of Noyon Group of Kangleipak Communist Party KCP last afternoon. A police report said today that Nongmaithem Ningol Konthausam Ongbi Ranjana Devi, aged 38 years, wife of K. Surchandra Singh of Samaram Mayailekai under Konthausam police station, was arrested from her residence yesterday around 2:30 p.m. She has been handed over to Khongzom police station. Tulihal Battalion of 9th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of IZAR South in coordination with Second World War Imphal Campaign Foundation and Manipur Tourism Forum to the organizers' solemn ceremony to commemorate the Platinum Jubilee of Battle of Imphal at India Peace Memorial at Maibam Lotpaching, Red Hill. A reed-laying ceremony along with a cultural program was organized to mark the occasion. Second World War Imphal Campaign Foundation President Yumnam Rajeshwar, 2 elders namely Asem Tompok and Taurem Gauramohon, who witnessed the Battle of Red Hill 1944, were honored on the occasion. District Health Society and District Family Office, Bishnupur, have jointly organized a one-day district-level workshop on rotavirus vaccine and TD for doctors at Mini Training Hall, all CMO office, Bishnupur, today. Several doctors from various hospitals and subject experts took part in the workshop. Speaking at the workshop, DFWO Dr. Merazao set out of 1 lakh infants and children, 70,000 died due to rotavirus infection that leads to inflammation of stomach, vomiting and diarrhea. He further said the workshop was conducted with an aim to spread awareness among doctors on how to prevent diarrhea and vaccination against rotavirus, tetanus and diphtheria. The Protection and Preservation Center Manipur, PPCM, Haumi Research Guild Manipur and Jesami Village Authority jointly organized a one-day training cum awareness program for farmers on organic farming at Jesami Guest House in Ukhrul district on May 27. Convener of PPCM, Nongthongbam Bimol, said it is unfortunate that the Jesami public are unaware that the village produces only organic vegetables and that the present government has been neglecting the welfare of the village.
ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯖꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯥꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯆꯍꯤ 10 ꯀꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯐꯥꯎ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯊꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯃꯔꯣꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯌꯣꯟꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛ ꯆꯥꯊꯣꯛ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯐꯔꯇꯤꯂꯥꯏꯖꯔ insecticide-ꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗꯅ ꯄꯤꯌꯣꯔ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯔꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯇꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯔꯝꯗꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ.
He further urged the concerned authorities to look into the matter concerning language problem facing the Jesami village. He also said this year the rate of crop yield will increase as compared to previous years. Chairman of Haumi Research Guild Manipur, S. Robin, emphasized on the importance of taking up training to solve language barrier among the Jesami villagers.
Training is kumasi ekoi Jesami khoi lon away nago mayam da tambiba ngamnanwa adu khara honna piya bija hygiene
khoi iram dam amantani haine leiribasida maron mari phaunaba khara watpa khun jaw khraba Jesami khunse employee government ki Manipur ki government employees kya laitaba asai phaunaba ngamdaba chathok chasini problem asugumasi ubada khoi wakhanda ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯩ ꯂꯩꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯆꯤꯡꯗꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯤꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ BBCMꯒ ꯍꯥꯎꯃꯤ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯜꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯩꯗꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯆꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯖꯤꯁꯃꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
ngasi trend sida khun gi interested person farmers mayamna program sida yaurega ekhoi gi resource person sina phajana ekhoi gi kramaina phau thage aduga kramaina horticulture ga items sinche thage habisi phajan tampi khrabni tin chabda kramain protection tauge habisi loin maksu phajan tampi khrabni adumna ngasi gi seminar ja aduga ngasi gi program se training si ekhoi gi damakta yamna kanabni.
Let's take a short break once again.
Water-reed products, canned and bamboo products, decorative items crafted on wood, nungbi, traditional dolls, products made of water hyacinth, salai soil, handicraft items from various places of Northeast India, all available under one roof. Instead of depending on plastic products, please use natural products. For more information, please visit Akom Handicrafts, a unit of Iraima Women's Welfare Association, Kongba Nandaibam Lekai, Kongba Road, Imphal East, Manipur 795008. Contact 9863243964 or 9402987076.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center Kumja Listing Amachapad Marifum Dodi Honachai Kuntramanga Hena Northeast India Ahan Hearing Aid Clinic Moine Lereklaba Nauka Gi Infal Center Mahangjare TV Phone Konjel Loinana Nil Kongum from the Tabangam the Awab Mayok Nibinaha Al Kudimak Wabi Rugano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic Nasimak Lenshin Directuna completely invisible water resistant amadi rechargeable oraba digital hearing aid Hapiu Tabangam Pangalwana Badom Kangachana Single Powers Tambio Ikogi Life from the Nagamapal Main Road Pogoi Sangam Lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6009545159.
Kangla Packaged Drinking Water, a unit of Lamjingba Group, Chingmang Poising Nambol Bishnupur District, Manipur 795134. We aim to provide minerals added and purified drinking water to every household of the state Manipur, ensuring good and healthy life for all. Silent features, RO-treated purified water, added minerals, state-of-art infrastructure water plant, processed and packaged under hygienic condition, sterilized water bottles, natural and clear stream water source, features and benefits, free home delivery, a filled jar free subscription on registration, 1 month free subscription on registration, Rs 500 registration fee, 30 bottles per month, that is 600 liters, Rs 250 subscription fee per month, 2 months free on subscription of a year. Subscription type monthly Rs 250, half yearly Rs 1500, quarterly Rs 750, yearly Rs 3000. Offer valid till 30th May 2019.
For more details, please contact us at 8257 888737 or email us at lamjingbakanglawwater@gmail.com. Welcome back. Senior BJP leader Pema Khandu was sworn in as the 10th Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh today. Governor of Arunachal Pradesh, retired Brigadier B.D. Mishra, administered the oath of office and secrecy to the Chief Minister and 11 other ministers at the colourful ceremony at the Dorji Khandu Convention Centre in Itanagar. The oath-taking ceremony was attended by a galaxy of dignitaries, including Chief Minister of Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland and Tripura. The BJP won 41 seats in the 60-member assembly in the elections held simultaneously with the Lok Sabha elections on April 11. Chief Minister Pema Khandu claimed his government would be clean, transparent and corruption-free. The new government would work for improvement in law and order, health and education sectors. Employment generation and wooing investments would also be top on the government's priority list, the CM added. The Railway Protection Force RPF arrested 3 people including a tribal woman along with 5 factory-made pistols and some ammunition at the Agartala rail station. The RPF personnel arrested the tribal woman identified as Shoilo Rani Chakma from the Agartala-bound Deoghar Express along with 5 pistols, 6 loaded magazines, some Indian currencies, 2 mobile sets and ATM card. She boarded the train from Lumding in Assam carrying the arms and ammunition and supposed to hand over them to 2 tribal youths in Agartala railway station. 2 of the pistols are Italy-made while 3 others were Myanmar-made. The youths were also arrested from the Agartala railway station and they were identified as Lawrence Deb Burma and Binod Deb Burma. All 3 were handed over to the government railway police. Former Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has ended all speculation over his health and inclusion in the new cabinet by writing to Prime Minister Narendra Modi that he is opting out of any ministerial position. The letter released by Jaitley on social media makes it clear that his health requires his full attention. The new Council of Ministers is scheduled to be sworn tomorrow evening. Due to his ill health, Jaitley could not present the last budget. The honours was done by caretaker Finance Minister Piyush Goyal. Apart from handling the Finance and the Corporate Affairs Ministries, Jaitley had at various stages in the last 5 years handled defence and information and broadcasting portfolios as well. While no word is out on who would get the finance portfolio now, Goyal appears to be the front runner for the post as of now. Jaitley is the leader of the House in the Rajya Sabha. Meanwhile, Rashtrapati Bhavan will host one of its largest gatherings for a single event tomorrow evening when 5,000 to 6,000 eminent persons are expected to attend the swearing-in ceremony of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Council of Ministers for a second term. The Myanmar army has committed war crimes during its offensive against the proscribed militant group Arakan Army following a government order to crush the armed group. A report released by Amnesty International said in the last few months, Myanmar army personnel have killed and injured innocent civilians in indiscriminate attacks in Rakhine state. It is the same area where the army in 2017 carried out an offensive against the Rohingya minority group, an operation the UN said showed evidence of genocidal intent. The Arakan Army, one of the various rebel groups engaged in armed conflict in Myanmar, was formed in 2009 by students of the Rakhine ethnic group, which is predominantly Buddhist. Let's now have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The People's Chronicle. BJP NPP on collision course over ministerial berths. Rahul adamant on stepping down as Congress crisis deepens. Doctor blame for elderly man's death. Efforts on to set up cancer hospital at Janims. Myanmar's UWSA continues to supply arms to any rebels. NSCN-IM camp at Toidingzang busted, PIB DW. The Shanghai Express. Cabinet reshuffle likely soon, NPP question looms large. Transfer and posting of 9 IPS officers affected. Airport drug haul case of 2013. Court gives last chance to MLA to appear on June 13. High Court disposes PIL on CCTV cameras. Animal disease outbreaks contained. Imphal Free Press. Professor Pandey's unjustifiable absence caused MU over Rs 27 lakhs. Inquiry Committee. Myanmar creating warlike situation in Naga areas, says NHCNK. The Morning Bell. Treatment of blood cancer in stage stress during worldwide observation. Rahul adamant on resignation, Old Guard back in action. CC school students protest apathy of state government towards blast victim teacher. UG cadre and worker arrested. Todaizang NSCM IM camp busted.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Congress MLAs quit PCC post, clarify the faction claim. AICC Secretary Charles Pincroft arrives in Imphal to review political scenario. And scoring high marks in exams not ultimate feat of life, says IAS Armstrong Pami. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.
Thank you.